This for all of my hipster girls on Instagram, stay flexing. On Instagram, straight flexing. On Instagram, straight flexing. I said this for all of my hipster girls on Tumblr, straight flexing. On Tumblr, straight flexing. On Tumblr, straight flexing. So go girl, you got that? Cause you just want the light, you got that?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Leanna. I haven't posted in a while, so just bear with me. Yeah, so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. So I did this look right here. I absolutely love it. It is Sunny D inspired, so you know, the famous Sunny D. I was drinking it today and I was like, why not do a look? So I did this like orange blue eyeliner type of look. So yeah, I'm super proud of myself. I mean, who doesn't like Sunny D? If you want to get this look, then please just keep on watching. So I just did my eyebrows just to get it out the way. I ended up using the Anastasia dip brow as always. So we're gonna start off with eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. Girl, she is a messy, but I'm like obsessed with this palette. But we are going to start with the color Creamsicle. So it's a really like and it's like an orange creamy color, which is this shade. I'm just gonna apply that all over my outer crease, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm sorry if I keep looking down, it's because I'm using my mirror right now to do my makeup. So I almost forgot a step. So before I do the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid, just so that the color of the eyeshadow pigment shows more. Since I applied that concealer on my eyelid, we are ready to go. So yeah, let's go back in with that creamsicle orangey color. And we're just gonna apply that all over my lid. Not all over my lid, but on my outer crease. So just like so. So next we are going to use the Aftershock Bad Habit palette, and this is like a really good palette. It's super cheap, but it has a lot of beautiful selections. Today we are going to be using this color called Chaser, and it looks like that. The only problem with this eyeshadow is that the eyeshadows are very powdery. You just dip in it and you get a lot of fallout, as you can tell. Look at the brush. But yeah, and basically all of it comes off. Once you tap it off, all of it's gone, so you gotta be really careful with this palette. But that's like the only like bright orange I have, so we will make it work. We're gonna apply that bright orange color underneath that shadow we just put. So just kind of blended it together. And you want to put it all over your lid too. It's gonna be like kind of like our base color. I've only actually used this palette twice, and as you can see, it's already hitting pan because of how powdery it is. It's just falling out every time I get it. But it's okay because it will do. So now I'm going to go back in with that Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to grab that creamsicle color and just apply it back onto the spot we had it, just so we can add a little bit more of that color. You guys, I look crazy with all this powder underneath, or eyeshadow underneath me. Next, we're going to use this color right here called Hunts. It's like this burnt orange shade, and we're just going to apply that in my outer V. now we're just gonna clear off that brush. Mind you guys, I'm using the same brush for like all 3 eyeshadow. Because like this is my favorite blending brush so far. Out of all the brushes I've owned, this is definitely one of my favorites. And it's by e.l.f. And I believe it was like $2 to $3. So I'm just gonna grab a few makeup removers and just clean up the bottom of my eyes because ain't nobody trying to look like this girl. Now we are going to be doing the eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using the Sephora brand Colorful Eyeliner Waterproof Eyeliner. And it looks like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna do a wing. So let me just move my hair out of my way. Guys, I always have stuff in my hair. I hate it. Okay, so let's go. So I'm actually running out of this eyeliner. I actually really like it, but you do have to apply it like twice to get to that certain color you want. Because like right now I'm putting it on, it's like a light blue, but if I apply a little bit more, it gets to a darker blue. Like, look how pretty that is. I love this color. So now that I have the eyeliner on, we're gonna apply some falsies. Tell me how you guys like the blue. I absolutely love the blue. I'm gonna be using the Elor Enchanted After Dark eyelashes today. So that's how it looks like. So while I'm waiting for my falsies to dry up, I'm gonna just apply my foundation. So I'm gonna be using the Tarte Maracuja oil all over my face. Just a few droplets, just to hydrate my face, because it is colder outside, so my skin is drying up. So we definitely need some hydration. So I just applied my falsies off camera. Now I'm going to be doing my foundation. So I'm going to be using the Superstay foundation in 312 Golden. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I'm actually going to switch out my beauty blenders because this one's a little bit too damp. So I feel like the foundation, the sponge is just soaking in the foundation. So once I applied my foundation, I'm going to go back with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Now I'm just gonna use my Airspun powder and I'm just gonna bake my face with that. Look at my shirt, guys. So while this is baking, I'm just gonna go and contour my face. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia contour kit. And I'm gonna be using this shade right here. And yeah. So now I'm just going to wipe off the powders. And then I'm gonna contour my forehead. I'm also using the Sonia Kashuk powder brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it all off. Now I'm just gonna continue on contouring my forehead. Box fan brush to apply my highlight. And I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Moonstone. Okay, now I'm going to use another Sonia Kashuk brush And I'm just going to go back in with that Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Elite and Beam. So these two colors, and put that in my tear duct and underneath my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in the Aftershock palette and use that same shade underneath my waterline. After that, I am going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. And I'm going to apply that on my bottom lashes. So after that, I am going to be using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in a color Trendsetter on my lips today. This is one of my favorite lipsticks, and it smells like chocolate. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. Alright, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys like it. It is Sunny D inspired. I'm super proud of it. It was super easy to make. I mean, super easy to do this look. So if you guys did like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and turn on your post notifications. Yeah, I hope you guys all have a good day. Bye.